So these are very important formulas everybody, and these are very important for the JEE examination. And regularly questions are coming in JEE examination. So what is this formulas? So let's see. E to the power x into fx plus f dash x, and everybody extremely important. And if you see the PYQ and JEE advanced questions, so regularly questions are coming on this. And e to the power x fx plus f dash x, answer will be e to the power x fx plus. And the second is that e to the power x fx plus x fx, another type of this first formula. So answer is x fx plus c. So let us try to prove the formula number 1. So proof of formula number 1. What to do? We are getting integration e to the power x into fx dx. I am separating plus e to the power x into f dash x. So let us consider this is the first function and this is the second function. Therefore, we can say here that u formula u integration of e to the power x dx minus derivative of e to the power x integration of derivative of fx integration of e to the power x on total dx plus this is unchanged, this portion is unchanged, e to the power x into f dash x dx. So we are getting here fx into e to the power x minus derivative of fx here, this is the derivative of fx, that is f dash x. So I am writing here f dash x e to the power x integration e to the power x minus plus e to the power x f dash x dx. Now let us go to the cancellation. So finally e to the power x into fx plus c. And next formula is also the same type. So let us go to some examples, and if you see the PYQ, and you'll get the lot of sums based on this. So let's go to some example. For example, integration x e to the power x by 1 plus x whole square dx. What will do? First of all, e to the power x is whenever e to the power x is multiplied with some x, so confirmly it is that formula. So we can write x by 1 plus x whole square. So what we'll do? We'll write plus 1 minus 1. So dx, we can write this as, here we can write, everybody, we can write here e to the power x, that 1 by 1 plus x minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. So see one thing, it is in the form of e to the power x fx plus f dash x, because how I can say this? Because if fx equal to 1 by 1 plus x, so f dash x क्या होगा? Minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. F dash x is minus of this. Therefore, answer is e to the power x into fx plus c. Therefore, e to the power x by 1 plus x plus c. One more sum. Integration x square e to the power x total divided by x plus 2 whole square dx. So whatever I told you, whenever it is in the form of e to the power x is multiplied in some form of x, so we have to apply that fx plus f dash x formula. So what can be done here? So let's manipulate e to the power x. So I can write here x square by x plus 2 whole square dx. Now e to the power x, that is x square minus 4 plus 4 total divided by x plus 2 whole square dx. That is coming integration e to the power x. So what it is coming here? That is x square. Just you ready? Minus 4 plus 4. So I can write here x minus 2 by x plus 2 plus 4 by x plus 2 whole square, and this is dx. Just see one thing, the x square minus 4 I can write x plus 2 into x minus 2, and 1x plus 2 is getting cancelled, and finally we are getting here. Finally we are getting here, and we are finally it's left. Now if we apply u by v formula, in C1s we are getting this value. Therefore, in this case, we can write it is in the form of t to the power x into fx plus f dash x dx. That is here fx equal to, I can say that x minus 2 by x plus 2. Therefore, answer is e to the power x fx plus c. That is what is coming here. So e to the power x, that is x minus 2 by x plus 2 plus c.